Jameis just fumbled. Deep in Cleveland territory. Russell going for the end zone. Oh, Pickens missed it. He was wide open. That was going to be a touchdown if Pickens turned. That would have given Pittsburgh the lead. That was over Ward, I believe. Or no, Ward wasn't in the area. Oh, he just didn't locate it. He would have had it, too. I don't know who number 12 for the Browns is on the coverage. They're 2nd and 10 at the 27 of Cleveland. Russ has Najee to his left. There's a man in motion. I believe that's Austin. And Najee gets it, and he fights up to the 20. I can't even tell. It's going to be 3rd down. It's a blizzard in Cleveland tonight. It's playing into the Browns' hands. Third down and 6. Wilson with Najee to his right. Watch out for Myles Garrett on the blind side. Now goes in a little bit. Freiermuth chips him. Russ going for the end zone. Touchdown! Steelers. Calvin Austin over Greg Newsome. What a dagger from Russ. Steelers take the lead after being down 18-3 in the 4th. The Steelers have scored 16 unanswered. Austin, with great coverage from Newsome, makes a great catch. It was a post route, and Austin was open. Newsome got beat. Awesome throw and catch in the snow. Russ to Austin. And the Steelers are going for 2 here with 6:15 to go. He's 5'9", so think about that target to make that throw. That's how perfect of a throw that was by Wilson. A perfect throw in the snow. It's hard to come by. 2-point try. Russ alone in the backfield. Wilson gets the snap. Fade, incomplete. No PI called. Delpit with the coverage. Not sure who Russ was looking for. It was number 84 on the Steelers. But the Pittsburgh Steelers are up by 1 with 6:15 to go. Russ to Austin. We're in for a wild one here in Cleveland in the snow. Can the Browns come back and make the upset?
I'm literally getting...
Welcome back to snowy Cleveland. 6:15 to go. Steelers up by 1. What an amazing game we have. It's truly not NFL season until there's a snow game. You gotta love snow games. I mean, this is gritty football. This is the football you love. AFC North Thursday night. Steelers, Browns in the snow. Man, that's what you love about the Midwest. Boswell kicks it deep. The Browns are going to have to return it. It's muffed. Picked up. Going to get up to the 30. Ran into his own man. Is Jerome Ford, I believe that it was.
A big night, and this is on that touchdown pass. Look at Freiermuth, who's helping out Dan Moore. Moore's been out there isolated from time to time. That time Freiermuth was
Russ got hit hard.
Russell Wilson took after he released that football. There's the great ball
On the touchdown throw.
And then the two-pointer.
Oh, Cordell Patterson. I forgot he's on the Steelers. All right, starting from the 33-yard line, Jameis alone. Leads in shotgun. Jameis gets the snap. Oh, it's tipped up in the air. 2nd and 10. The Steelers are coming alive. This is why they're 8-2. Their defense. We all know how good it is. They got playmakers everywhere.
Winston is on that same tour right now. No way. Not that, people forgot about Holden. He's a big guy, number 24.
As Jamison Jerome Ford. They just came to the sideline. Dorian Thompson Robinson is in the game.
Dorian Thompson Robinson, he comes back.
DTR.
Which is a surprise.
What's going on
I think
here?
he's kind of their version of Justin Fields as far as a changeup and what he can do.
Look like putting the guy in, ice game on the bench.
6 minutes and 6 seconds left. The Steelers got called for defensive holding. They're going to run it with Chubb. He only gets about 3 to the 40-yard line, and Robbins TTR is coming out. Jameis coming back in.
Winston started the next game, so he comes in for one play and out he goes.
He is a threat to be able to get he can throw it also, but also he has that ability to kind of pull the ball and get around the edge the way Fields can.
Winston.
Winston's been throwing the football. He's been doing a really good job of making quicker decisions.
Got Chubb to his left. 88 was in motion. He sets in the slot. I think that's Brevin Jordan, and there's a flag.
Left tackle looked like he moved. Remember, he just gave up a sack, and now this time he moves.
We got a cha-cha for Ifedi.
He injured DeJuan Jones. Kaylee.
Guys, Myles Garrett is in the blue medical tent on the Brown sideline right now. He went in with an athletic trainer for a minute, and it wasn't long before the independent progression specialist joined him in there. That specialist just left, and it looks like they're headed to the monitor.
Uh-oh. Myles Garrett might have a concussion. That is not good for the Browns. They're having a terrible season. That's the last thing they need. Myles Garrett to be hurt. Their best defensive player. Jameis fakes the handoff. Pressure. Oh, he gets away from it. Jameis slings it across his body. Oh, Judy, what a catch in the Steeler territory. First down, Cleveland, a big throw. Oh, Jameis is limping. Jameis is limping. He got back up. Jameis got hit. But what a throw across his body to Jerry Judy having to leap up and make the grab. Oh, right over the leaping Deshaun Elliott. Wow. Dude, this is insane. Look at this. In the conditions, too. What is this game? Oh, Patrick Queen came in and hit Jameis, and Jameis knocked down the Steelers coach. Winston fakes the handoff to Chubb. Oh, Jameis almost got hit again. He did get hit again. And it's incomplete. 2nd and 10. Elijah Moore.
Second and 10.
Just when you think Jameis Winston and the Browns, same old Browns, Steelers going to find a way to win. The Browns
They're shoveling the end zone.
Jameis Winston says, not so fast, my friend, with that completion. It's in a
This is such an insane game. 4:34 to go. We're playing in a blizzard. This has got to be the most fun I've had watching football in a while. I haven't witnessed a snow game in a minute. A blizzard game especially, you never get those. Winston, there's pressure, he throws! Oh, it's knocked down by Beanie Bishop. A rookie. 3rd and 10.
He gets on a roll. He's a gunslinger. He's going to take some chances. Very, very close to the rookie here of being able to step in front of that football and intercepting that.
Thornford and Njoku, there was another defender in coverage, was a linebacker. 3rd and 10. Winston alone in the backfield at the 39 of Pittsburgh. Jameis. Line holding up well. Jameis got his. He threw. It's intercepted. Dante Jackson. It went right to him.
Dante Jackson.
An awful interception from Jameis Winston, which we are all accustomed to. And Dante Jackson with another pick this season. I believe that's his 4th. And Pittsburgh can just run out the clock now.
Good decisions tonight by Jameis.
Welcome back to the blizzard in Cleveland.
Get this football in to Elijah Moore. He got tough conditions.
Who's Jameis going for? He was going for Elijah Moore. Moore's not even looking back at Jameis when Jameis lets it go, and then Dante Jackson it's right to him. It is. Oh, it's a duck too. It was right to him. Jameis needed to wait maybe a second later. It's a snowball fight in the end zone for the Steelers. Casey throwing the snowballs at his fellow teammates. So Pittsburgh starts at their own 24. Russ gives it to Najee, and Najee gets the 4. He's second down. About 7 or 6. As Russ is coming off the field, Justin Fields is going to come in.
That's a big difference in this game right now. So, good job of dealing with the conditions.
So do you run with Justin Fields or do you run with Najee? I'd say Justin Fields. Najee hasn't had a really good night tonight. Najee in motion, goes to Justin Fields left. Browns cramming the box. Fields gives it to Najee outside. Ooh, Najee had a good run there. Going to be third down. It's going to be a timeout called by Cleveland with 3.5 to go. So now both the Browns and Steelers have 2 timeouts remaining. It's going to be third down. And
do you know how much practice time it puts on Kevin Stefanski and any team that gets ready to
third down and 4, and you know this Browns crowd's going to be rocking on this play. 3:34 to go. It is 29 degrees in Cleveland tonight.
takes away from your time that you can spend on Russell Wilson and the level of offense that they're attacking you with because of the threat of the zone read game, the power read game, QB run game. And it's just a nice little wrinkle, not just tonight, but the rest of the way for Arthur Smith and his Steelers offense all year long.
You got 2 quarterbacks, you got 1 and 1A. Third and 4. Field stays in.
Third and 4 at the 30. Fields alone in the backfield. Now here comes Najee and Freiermuth in motion. Fields is going to throw it. Going deep for Pickens. Incomplete. Pickens wants a penalty. It's not going to come. 4th and 4. Emerson Jr. with the coverage. Martin Emerson Jr. Really underrated corner. Really good complimentary piece to Greg Newsome and Denzel Ward in the secondary. Whole Steelers sideline won the flag. Didn't get it. Corliss Waitman will punt it, the former Bronco, and oh, it's a bad punt. It's off the side of his foot. Yeah, he shanked it off the side of his foot. Still going. At the 46-yard line of the Steelers. Oh, no. A bad time for a bad punt. That could cost him his job.
In Pittsburgh territory, we think.
Yeah, that just came off the inside of his foot. Nobody got a hand on it.
Inside of his foot. He shanked it.
Think about this. This Steelers team wins games like this, again, with special teams being a big part of the equation. And here with the game on the line, you need a big punt. You shank one, and now Jameis Winston a chance to bounce.
All right, Jameis, what you got for us? You get another chance. Redemption. You got Chubb to your left. You're going to give it to Chubb. Or sorry, that's Jerome Ford who gets a nice run of 7 yards. And the Browns are inside the 40. 3:10 left. Both teams have 2 timeouts, plus the 2-minute warning.
He's a great kicker. He just had a tough time, especially last week.
Going to find that pretty quickly. It's under 3 minutes to go.
2nd and 4.
Yes.
There's Dustin Hopkins warming up.
On the sideline. 2nd and 4.
At the 39. Jameis is going to throw. Look out. Still up. Jameis got through it. And it's dropped by Akins. He was wide open. You cannot drop that. got Herbert coming in.
He's all alone. Nobody has it. I mean, if he can't...
Oh my God, that's a touchdown if Akins catches it. There was no one in front of him.
Looked like he almost jumped a little early, too. 3rd down and 4.
3rd and 4.
0 for 8 are the Browns on
Jameis looking to throw. Oh, it's tipped up in the air, incomplete. Looking for Njoku.
Deshaun Elliott.
4th and 4. Deshaun Elliott with the tip.
This is where,
We are really testing Jameis's eyes right here. 4th and 4. What do? Are you in Hopkins field goal range or not? They're not. They're going for it. This is the game right here.
Mesh routes underneath, trying to create a pit.
3 for 3 on 4th down. Here they are again.
A quiet night for this man because of the double teams and the chips.
Jameis
Double again.
for the game. Caught. Judy. 1st down.
Jerry Judy.
What a nice diving grab by Jerry Judy, the former Bronco. That'll take us to the 2-minute warning.
That's what Judy uses with
The Browns might do it. They might pull this off.
uses the big fella almost to just
That's a huge play. It's a pick play. What a job by Njoku to get Porter off them. They get a playoff before the 2-minute warning. It's a little out route to Akins who gets it.
That'll be caught by Jordan Akins. And
And I believe the 20.
we'll make it 2nd down. They're going to try to go.
Or the 30.
They stop right here.
And the clock stops with 2 minutes and 5 seconds to go. As he slid out of bounds.
just getting closer to this field goal for Hopkins.
Inside 5 minutes. 2nd half clock doesn't wind, so it's stopped at 2:05 as he went out of bounds. 2nd down and 2.
What yard line are we at? We're at the 25. Winston gives it up, and it's stuffed.
Getting none. Ford.
Going to be 3rd down and 2. Ford
So many big plays.
just could not get any yardage. Good job by the Steelers defensive front. 2-minute warning. Browns driving. Looking to pull off an upset.
Come down to the foot of Hopkins.
Welcome back to the Blizzard in Cleveland. Hopkins is changing shoes.
Who knows?
Going to be 3rd down and 2. This is going to be chaos.
This year is beyond 50 where it's strong.
Both teams have 2 timeouts.
That picture says a little.
3rd and 2.
3rd down and 2.
Jameis.
0 for 9 on 3rd down. Can they get
They're
very
faking the Chubb. Here comes Patrick Queen. Winston got drilled as he threw it. Patrick Queen with a nice play. It's going to be 4th down and 2 with 1:55 to go. Oh, there's a flag.
Defense here, they're going to take a look at this. Did Winston just try to get rid of the football?
Uh-oh. There might be intentional grounding. This might be a huge play by Patrick Queen.
Take him out of field goal range. Right now, you know, in this weather, you're on the cusp. We're a 43-yard field goal, which would be a 58-yard field goal if they call that intentional grounding.
Let's see. Is Jameis still in the tackle box?
Make the call.
Yeah, easily. The only person that was there for the Browns was Ethan Pocic.
Brad Allen will have the official rule.
Yeah, there's no receiver
It's-
here. The ball didn't get past
Yeah, it's looking like intentional grounding. Very unfortunate.
Terry, you want to weigh in quickly?
Yeah, he's certainly in the pocket. There's no receiver in the vicinity. The only issue would be it looks like he starts his motion.
Oh! Illegal touching on Ethan Pocic. It'll be a 5-yard penalty. They're not going to lose the down.
starting to throw the football.
Pittsburgh's declining the penalty. It's 4th
That's why
down.
it's not intentional grounding, but apparently a lineman intentionally touched the football, touched the pass, which is a 5-yard penalty.
Right, Ethan Pocic.
Yeah, Ethan Pocic, he did touch it while before it was on the ground, before it was incomplete. What are you doing?
They're holding up. Brad Allen's coming over the sideline. For the moment, said a 5-yard penalty. He's talking to Tomlin.
4th and 2.
Displaying
Brad Allen, the head referee, talking to Mike Tomlin about
The
something.
original scrimmage was at 25. It's going to be 4th down. Where's the ball?
Might as well kick it, right?
Pittsburgh declined the penalty. And see if he-
I mean, you're down by 1 point.
Okay. All right, 4th down. So 4th and 2.
4th and 2. What do you do, Kevin Stefanski?
43-yard field goal.
Oh my God, they're going for it.
Meanwhile, Hopkins.
Dustin Hopkins is ready.
Chance to win the game, right?
Well,
I guess it just tells you about the conditions.
it's not 155.
What is going on here?
Pittsburgh is 2 times. A lot going on here. Now they're going to move it back.
They're moving it back.
It's originally declined, but it's a 5-yard penalty. Hang with us, gang. We're all in this together.
3rd and 7.
Declined it, and then after talking to him, they pushed him back.
To the 30. So there's your 5-yard
So the Browns are back at the 30.
It's still 3rd down. And
Jameis.
7.
Got Elijah Moore in motion. Got a running back to his left, and now we got another stoppage. Timeout called by Mike Tomlin.
The wheels, they are spinning. Steve Jackson might say. Terry, there was a little confusion out on the field. What was the end result?
Yeah, originally they declined the penalty, and then they went through all of the options. It's not a loss of down. They decided to accept the 5-yard penalty.
Wow, I'm watching football. Yeah, I will. I'm watching the game. After the game.
On the sideline.
After the game.
30.
3rd and 7.
Barely abated. 3rd and 7.
Now Ford's going to go in to be a receiver. Winston looking to throw.
In the pocket.
Going long, caught. 1st down. Jerry Jeudy inside the 15.
6 catches, 87 yards for him.
Jerry Jeudy having a whale of a 4th quarter.
Casing against man coverage, so we have a flag that comes in play. Joey Porter passes it
The
off to
flag.
Minka.
Oh, Minka. He slipped. Joey Porter. As there's a delay of game on Beanie Bishop, going to be another 5-yard penalty. The Browns are going to be inside the 10.
Oh, man. Bishop.
Beanie Bishop came up to Jerry Jeudy and pushed him. So yeah, Jeudy makes a nice catch. Porter got beat by Jeudy, and then Minka slipped, and Jeudy was open.
Might go back and look at that play in a second.
What are we doing
Not
here?
sure they touched him down.
If they did, it was with a leg.
Yeah.
1st and goal. Winston gives it to Chubb. Chubb breaking through tackles inside the 5 to the 2. This is the Nick Chubb we all love to see, unless you're a Pittsburgh fan. Russell Wilson, get out of the jacket, ready to go. They're going to need a touchdown if Cleveland scores.
Cleveland gets into the end zone. Pittsburgh needs its own touchdown. Field goal would do no good. 2nd down and goal.
2nd and goal, minute and 5 to go. Here in this Blizzard game. Jameis. Chubb. Touchdown Browns! They take the lead with 57 seconds to go. And it's Nick Chubb.
Look at this crowd.
Listen to Cleveland. They are 57 seconds away from upsetting the Steelers. And they're going to go for 2. And every single Cleveland Browns fan loves Nick Chubb. And you gotta love to see that against the team where he had that major injury last year.
We'll have one
get what could be the game-winning touchdown. Pittsburgh's going to have one timeout after the 2-point try. Jameis. Whiteheart in motion.
Chubb lined up in the backfield as the tailback.
Flag.
Full start.
Full start.
Offense number 59. 5-yard penalty.
So hard to get a penalty in there.
That's Winston Reed
Sure.
as a defensive player. They put him as the fullback.
Winston Reed, the fullback. He's a defender. Flinched. He's in the backfield, too. Now it looks like they're probably going to bring out Hopkins, right?
Even though you're moving it back,
Yeah, change the personnel.
Oh, no.
right?
They're still going to go for 2.
Still needs 2 to make it 7.
The Steelers can run it back for 2.
Chubb comes out.
Chubb's not in the game. Jerome Ford is the running back.
Judy's had a big night.
Watch Jerry Jeudy. Elijah Moore is offside.
He gets stacked on the left side.
Jameis got his. He threw. Oh, it's off the backside of Deshaun Elliott. Really good coverage from Deshaun Elliott. Jameis threw it behind.
Crazy game.
And the Steelers, they're only down by 5. They have a timeout. They have one of the best clutch quarterbacks in the business, Russell Wilson.
This ball is going.
Can they do it?
This ball is going across midfield. We're all going to be holding on for dear life here to see how
This has been one hell of a game here in the snow, here in the blizzard, in Cleveland. They're getting the stuff we're getting up here in Wisconsin. Although it's worse in Cleveland.
I'm sure it won't this time. This was so much fun.
And Chubb with 2 huge runs to get into the end zone.
hard after everything he's been through. The rehab, he works so hard 14 months to get back in and scores 2 touchdowns tonight. There's the 2-pointer. Unable to come up with that, but they still have the 5-point lead.
But Chubb's averaging less than 3 yards a carry. But still has 2 big TDs. 3 sacks for Garrett in the first half.
Myles Garrett celebrating Nick Chubb's touchdown.
Magic remains. Wilson's had a great night, 18-22 for 240. We talked about last year we were here. Joe Flacco came out of retirement to lead them to the playoffs for the win over the Jets on Thursday night. This year it's Jameis Winston. Again with Watson getting hurt.
Hopkins is going to kick it. They're playing Chris Stapleton. Won a lot of awards in the CMAs last night. Did Chris Stapleton. Had himself a hell of a night. 57 seconds. I mean, they're going to kick it in place, so you're going to have to return it. You're going to take off. Got like 4 or 5 seconds off the clock. Got to sit up for this one. Here we go, folks. This is what it's all about. Right here. Hopkins kicks it. They're going to have to return it at the 10. Jalen Warren, the backup running back, breaking tackles, and a bunch of Browns are going to have to throw him down. 4 Browns players had to tackle Jalen Warren. He's a beast.
With Carissa and the gang exclusively on Prime Video, Kaylee, the star of the game.
Myles Garrett having a multi-sack game. Damn.
To talk about tonight, a lot of stuff.
Well, what's great here in this last 50 seconds is you got a quarterback
50 seconds left.
He knows where he wants to find
Took
the
7
matchups.
seconds off the
Miles
clock.
Garrett,
Pittsburgh has
who's
one timeout.
sprinter stance to try to get after him. He's already had a big night with a number of sacks. What can Pittsburgh do? They got a back there, looks like, to try to help Dan Moore out of that left side.
Can he go 60?
Here we go from the 36. They need 64 yards to win this game in 50 seconds. Wilson
Rush 4.
caught. Fryer move up to the 45. Nearly a first down. It's still in the middle of the field, and the Steelers have to hurry. 35 seconds to go.
He realizes the urgency he's got to go with here.
Got to go quick.
One timeout.
At the 45.
Trying to get in position where at least
Under 30 seconds left. Russ flushed out to his left and just throws it into the dirt. Warren was the closest Steeler to it. 22 seconds left, 3rd down and 1.
put the heat on that. You're down to 22 seconds.
Yeah, none of the receivers, as he rolled to his left and went into scramble mode, nobody worked with him. He was running that time. And it looked
Russell
like
Wilson, 40 career
kind of stopped.
game-winning drive in the fourth quarter slash overtime. Second most among active players. Stafford has the most with 45.
Still 3rd and 1, so Frywood did not get the first down.
3rd and 1.
Put 1 second
23 seconds left at the 45. Wilson. Here comes Myles Garrett. Warren gets it up to midfield. And Delpit throws him down. And now they're going to have to call a timeout. 16 seconds left for the Steelers. Great play by Grant Delpit. The Steelers have no timeouts.
30-second timeout. Horses defense, can they hold?
He had 16 seconds.
Browns looking for the upset.
Pickens is your main vertical threat downfield. We saw Calvin Austin make a play as well. Mike Williams, who was not 100% a few weeks ago against the Commanders, made a catch late. He's coming off the field right now. But the big thing
Under
is
halfway to go.
we're in a Hail Mary mode right now. I still think there's with a veteran quarterback like this, maybe get a crosser, something where you can pick up 10 to 20 yards near the boundary to get out of bounds or get up to the ball and spike it into the ground.
Real quick, with 16, you can do either.
16 seconds left.
So the ball is at the 44.
At the 44-yard line of Cleveland. Frymouth in motion. Warren in the backfield with Russ.
To the right side.
Myles Garrett coming from the blind side. Russ. Garrett spin move. Russ has to flip it. Out of bounds. 10 seconds to go.
Now you got 10 seconds.
Gotta go Hail Mary now, you
Then
think?
you really compelled either to get the guy out of bounds or do your Hail Mary act. Right.
Gotta do Hail Marys. Gotta do Hail Marys.
Pressure on a quarterback.
Gotta do Hail Marys.
You would think rushing forward that he's going to be back there with all kinds of time, especially in these conditions. But Myles Garrett leading the charge there with a spin move, got into him.
2nd and 10. 10 seconds left.
10 seconds, whistles.
And Browns timeout.
Timeout Cleveland.
Short timeout. Cleveland, for second. It will be 30 seconds.
Was that year 2012 for Monday Night Football, the Russ Hail Mary against the Packers? He's got it in him.
Yeah, Russ has been involved in some fantastic places. Both pro and con, as you know. But a great career. What's he got in store tonight? Next week, Friday, Raiders Chiefs on Black Friday.
I'm not watching that.
10 games, 3 Eastern. Noon Pacific.
Jim Schwartz elected to get his safeties obviously way back. He's going to continue to rush the field.
10 seconds to go. Wow, I'm getting tired.
Well, they're standing at the 15-yard line.
At the 45.
4-man rush again.
Brown's gonna rush 4. Russ, quick, outside to Austin to get a few more yards. 6 seconds left, gonna be 3rd down.
6 seconds.
Hail Mary.
4 seconds. So if Cleveland plays the same,
This is probably gonna be the last play of the game.
you could theoretically try to run something similar to that. You know, try to get maybe another 8 to 10 yards.
3rd and 1.
They did it 4 seconds.
Yeah, they could.
6 seconds left. We do a little out route again.
6 seconds.
Now the Browns are playing up. And the Browns call their last time out.
Down lineman.
This game's never gonna end.
Their 3rd and final.
Yeah, they moved Jordan Hicks into a spot around 8 yards downfield. The safety's very deep. So the Cleveland Browns trying to become giant tokens. Before, how much do you think the Ravens will through this game and persuaded by 11?
Oh yeah, the Browns did beat Baltimore.
Harlan Company, I'm sure.
Just another reminder that the NFL, I mean, every week, it seems like almost every game, one possession, you never know that's going to happen. These teams are all so close. It's just better who can play consistently. And that's what separates
3rd
these
and
teams.
1.
Everybody knows nothing.
6 seconds left. No timeouts for anybody. This could be the last play of the game. Ross takes the snap. Going for the end zone. Got nailed as he threw it. Hail Mary to end the game. Knocked down by Denzel Ward and Grant Delpit. The Cleveland Browns have upset the Pittsburgh Steelers in this unbelievable, awesome Blizzard game.
Denzel Ward, sit down. Jordan Hicks.
What a game.
Rushed three initially. Hicks came late.
Oh shit, George Pickens is going at Browns fans.
Upset about something. Pull him away.
I think he's by the grandstands.
Jameis Winston.
Greg Newsom was also over there.
10th year of the league. Where did Jameis Winston go? Here he is. He went to Cleveland.
How about the Cleveland Browns, man? First time winning consecutive regular season games versus Steelers since 1999 to 2000. How about that? What a wild game here in Cleveland. What happened to George Pickens here? Oh, he's got Greg Newsom by the neck. Freiermuth was the only one close to the Hail Mary. There was 3 Browns right by the play. Oh, and Hicks drills Russell Wilson in the chest. Jordan Hicks. The Browns have won again. This is AFC North football at its finest. Pretty close games in the worst of weather. Gotta love it. What happened with George Pickens here?
The Browns have now beat the Steelers 5 of the last 6 when they've come here to Cleveland.
Looked like Jameis was squinting the whole time. He still is kind of squinting.
Sometimes it's a bunch of hooey, but not in this case. Pittsburgh.
Oh, they're not going to show it. Jameis, Nick Chubb, Denzel Ward. The Browns win this awesome Blizzard game here in Cleveland and bump up to 3-8 with the upset. Pittsburgh falls to 8-3. Thank y'all for watching. I'm RV and I'm out. Peace. What a wild day.